Hi friends, welcome to Turbo Maths channel. Many people when they see this question, they don't know which operation to do first. So they might get it wrong. The question is 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 then times open parentheses 8 minus 4 divided by 4 times 6 close parentheses. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people solve this question like this. They say 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. 8 minus 3 then times 8 minus 4 divided by 4 then times 6. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 5 times 8 minus 4 which equals 4 then divided by 4 then times 6. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 5 times 1 then times 6. 5 times 1 equals 5 and 5 times 6 equals 30. They say the final answer of this question equals 30, but this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve this question step by step together. The question is 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 then times open parentheses 8 minus 4 divided by 4 times 6 close parentheses. Can you solve this question? In this question we have exponents, subtraction, multiplication, parentheses and division. To solve this question we need to follow the order of operations which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations, and if you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority, also addition and subtraction have the same level of priority, and when we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. In this question, according to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have subtraction, division and multiplication. First we simplify this division. Negative 4 divided by 4 equals negative 1. We have 8 minus 1 then times 6 inside the parentheses, and the question is 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 then times 8 minus 1 times 6. Again we simplify the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have subtraction and multiplication. First we do this multiplication, because the multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Negative 1 times 6 equals negative 6. Now we have 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses, and the question is 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 then times 8 minus 6. Again we simplify the parentheses. 8 minus 6 equals 2. We have 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 then times 2. In this step we have exponent, subtraction and multiplication. First we simplify the exponent. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. We have 8 minus 3 then times 2. We have subtraction and multiplication. First we do this multiplication, because the multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Negative 3 times 2 equals negative 6. Now we have 8 minus 6, and the final answer of this question equals 2. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Goodbye.